So now we're going to look at how Freestyle Orchestrator has changed within Workspace ONE Intelligence. If I go add workflow, the easiest way to show this is we'll explore the templates. So the template that I found I like so far was this replace Dell batteries with poor health. So I'm going to start with this template. You can see here it shows you this is the if statement, this is what it's going to do. But we're going to mess with this because we don't use service now, which is fine. So we're going to delete this. Then we're going to go into this. We're going to specify who we want to send the email to. So we're going to send the email to IT. And we're going to kind of mess with this a little bit because I don't think that this is as good as it needs to be. So we're going to, we'll put Dell battery health in there. So we go, this is at, we'll put, it needs to be replaced. This process has been started automatically. Yep, so this is fine. Now if we click test, and it'll actually show us a bunch of devices we can look at. And we want to focus on that Dell battery health because this actually shows ones we actually want to test. So we'll pick Karen. Notice that we don't like how that is formatted. So let's go back because like I said, this could be better than it is. So we'll click test again. We'll pick a different person this time. Still not where we want it to be. So let's make sure we put a space in there so that it looks well formatted. One more test. We'll pick Nancy again. When we hit test, he says your test was successful. Now let's check out the email. So you can see here we got this nice little email. It says your device, this battery needs to be replaced, etc., etc. So it's really, really useful actually. So if you go back here, just keep in mind too is that if you want to add any additional steps or actions, you can absolutely do that as well. And you can see there's certain things that you can do. So say you want to create a Jira service desk request as well. You can go ahead and do that, which is pretty neat here. So you can actually specify all the data in there and really do a lot with it. And it gives you some great flexibility. And this shows you kind of how Freestyle has evolved now inside of Workspace ONE Intelligence.